All right, before you pack up the camper, you want to do a walkthrough and make sure that you turn off all the lights. There's a thermostat in here too that you're going to want to make sure is shut off, and make sure all the doors are shut. In the bathroom, you want to make sure the slider is secured so it doesn't slide around. Any loose items are put somewhere so that if they don't end up on the floor and make a mess. The shower has a lock here. Also making sure any vents are closed so the wind doesn't take off with them. Making sure. Turning the light off. Where the slides are, you want to make sure that there's nothing in the way for where the slide moves both on the floor and the wall. So getting the dirt and debris cleaned up so it doesn't get swept underneath. The TV, you want to make sure is securely fastened so it doesn't bounce off the wall. Like that. Make sure all windows are closed. In the kitchen, there's another vent here. Making sure that's closed. Again, that the slide is clear of all debris both on the floor and the side. Making sure the thermostat is set to off. And then in the back bunkhouse, again, making sure the windows are closed because once you bring in the slides, you can't get in here. Make sure the table is down so that the table isn't up and hitting the window as you move the trailer. And before you bring in the slide, making sure all these bins are securely closed so that nothing gets in the way of the slide when it comes in. And there's another vent up here as well that you're going to want to make sure is closed.